Hey.
My God.
These tips though.
Yo, you hear this thing? Oh my God.
Damn. All right, I'm about to give you guys, well, he's about to give you guys, but the non-cold start, the cold start, basically when the engine's colder, it's a lot louder. I'm sure you car guys know that, but you kids who don't, the cold start is a lot louder and like when you really hear a car, but he's about to give us the non-cold start version and it's gonna sound crazy, I hope. Oh my God.
Can I put that story?
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Sounds so good. Oh my God.
Oh my God, dude.
Oh my, what do you think? Damn. The video won't do justice on how amazing this sounds. Like, it sounds so much better than stock, so much louder. The pitch is better with the downpipes and everything. Oh my God. You guys have to see it in person, so I hope you guys will see it one day. You probably can't even hear me right now, but on camera it doesn't sound as good as it would in real life. You guys see it in person, I promise. Like, it sounds crazy. First ride in the car since... Oh my God. It just sounds like it's fast. It's like a whole new car. Like, I feel like I just bought a new car. It feels like Christmas Day right now. Damn. Oh my God. I don't think video's gonna do the justice, but this thing is so loud. Oh my God. The downshifts sound amazing. All right, it's my first time starting it up, so I want to film, you know, me starting it up, my little reaction or whatever. That sounds mean, yo. Damn, that's loud. Oh my God, bro, my ear. That hurt my ear. Oh my God, that is so loud. That is crazy. Yeah. Oh my God. That is so loud, yo. All right, out to Seaside we go. Gonna go break some necks, get some neck breaking montage. All right, so we're cruising right now, and we just went through a tunnel. Oh my God. That wasn't even anything. You guys should have heard it with the tunnel. Woo, boy! Oh my God.